Hello, everyone. Today we are talking about something that is crucial for any QA agency out there, building great client relationships. So, if you want to improve your agency's relationship with clients, there are a few things that you should keep in mind. But first, please subscribe to Aqua Cloud YouTube channel to see more content like this from us. Now, we're ready to start with the video. The first tip, communication is key. Actually, it's so important to establish a connection with your clients and to be open and honest with them. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Please make sure that you are available to answer your clients and provide updates. When clients feel heard and understood, they are more likely to trust you and to value your expertise. The second tip that I found particularly helpful is setting realistic expectations. As a QA agency, of course, it's your job to deliver high quality results, but you also need to be honest about what you can achieve for your clients. Don't make promises that you can't keep. Instead, be upfront about the challenges and limitations of the testing process. This will help you establish a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy partner. The third tip that has helped my colleagues from QA agencies improve their relationships with clients is developing a consistent testing process. This means having a clear and documented process for testing your clients' products. When you have a consistent process, you can always ensure that your testing is thorough and reliable, and that your clients are getting the results that they need. It also helps you work more efficiently, which can save you time and money in the long run. Finally, the fourth tip is to maintain confidentiality and security. When you're working with your client's products, you're often handling sensitive information, so it's essential to protect it. Make sure that you have strict security protocols in place and that you're always respecting your client's privacy. This can help you build trust with your clients and establish a reputation as a reliable and trustworthy partner. So, there you have it. These were the four best tips for building great relationships with clients as a QA agency. Remember that communication, setting realistic expectations, developing a consistent testing process, and maintaining confidentiality with security are all important factors in building trust and establishing strong partnerships with your clients. You can find the fifth and the last tip in our blog post. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and if you have any tips or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on software testing and QA management. See you later. Bye.